Magandang hapon po ng June 3, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng June 3, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, June 3, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 3, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 17.5 million pesos for Monday, June 3, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for June 3, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.